Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunday. I just got done with house sitting for a week that was entertaining and fun. This is Lucky if you guys want to see her. So I can't hold the camera close to her because she won't sing for me. But who's a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? You are? You're the pretty girl? Oh, you know where a camera is, don't you? Yeah, you know the camera's on. Now you're showing off. You're looking right at them showing off. Yeah? Oh, tell me about it. Let's gossip. Let's gossip. Tell me something. You like the word gossip? I didn't know that. Tell me more. Tell me more. What about it? Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Okay, say bye, Lucky. Say bye, Lucky. Okay, bye. So yeah, she was super fun. And there was also Celine and Anubis, and I can't remember the snake or the lizard's name, but they were all super fun to take care of. All sweethearts. But to start off, I wanted to do the sponsor giveaway. We'll get the 5 names on a piece of paper. We'll get the 5 names onto a piece of paper. And I have this thing called Competition Name Picker. It's a little app. I have all of the names put onto this list already. Everyone who has donated since January has been a sponsor. You guys are amazing. I absolutely love you guys. So thank you guys. Let's refresh. Alright, so it's back up to 29 and choose. And the first winner is PND. I know I have their email on my phone, wherever I put my phone, under my PayPal. I'll have to contact them. Or if you guys are watching, send me an email. All my information is down below. So again, just a refresher, they're 9x12s that I'm going to do a custom pour onto and then custom line art onto for you. They're a nice linen canvas. So, yeah, send me an email, PND, if I can write today. Here we go. Let's go back and choose our next one. Oh, CW Arts, that is Christina Welch. So number 2, we have Christina Welch. Congratulations. I know you have every way of contacting me, so just let me know. Number 3. Christina Welch again. Congratulations. Their names are in here quite often, so it's more likely that they might win. Alright, so number 4 came to Allegra Young. She was actually the sponsor for what's coming up, Scrawlrbox. She was the one for that, so it's kind of fitting that I'm going to be talking about Scrawlrbox here in a second. And number 5 came to Monica.cerami. Congratulations, Monica! And the lucky winner is... So number 5 is Monica.cerami. So there's our 5 lucky winners. We have P&D, CW Arts, CW Arts, Allegra Young, and Monica.cerami. So congratulations, all 5 of you. Send me an email, let me know that you guys got this. Let me know a color scheme that you guys would like and a general idea of what kind of line art. And we'll communicate back and forth and make sure that that gets done. Alright. There we go. Alright, so some things that are coming up. Of course, you have the 100 somethings that I have to do. I didn't get a chance since I couldn't film all this week. It was really hard going back and forth across town. By the time I got here, spent time with Gizmo. I wanted to make sure everything was taken care of here at the house. And then I had to head back to the other house and take care of the dogs and the animals and stay the night there, and then head back here during the day, and filming became incredibly difficult. So I'm sorry for the lack of videos this week, but I will make it up to you guys. Next, the 100 somethings challenge, which we will be going through with the Scrawlrbox. Oh, and I'm also going to be doing a time-lapse video doing the Notre Dame, a line art of the Notre Dame onto that piece that everyone said looks like stained glass. So I'm going to do some white line art on top of this of the Notre Dame. I already have something in mind, so I can't wait. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, let me get everything moved out of the way. And today we're doing 3, not 6, we're doing 3 rounds. Just gonna do some paint pouring onto them. So I'll see you in a second. Okay everyone, so I have them all prepped. I have all the cups down. I just gotta spray them down real quick with this Giovanni Shine of the Times High Gloss Hair Mist. The first 2 ingredients are dimethicone and silicone. So I gotta spray those down. But the colors today are going to be the Color Shift Aqua, Sherwin-Williams Dark Night, Soho's Phthalo Green Blue, Soho's Yellow Ochre, Color Shift Yellow Flash, Soho Cad Yellow Light, Golden Interference Violet, Sherwin-Williams Lotus Flower, my mix of Premier Purple Red and Reeves Crimson and Cad Yellow, which I call Plum. I matched it up to various different plums from different resources, so that's what I'm calling it, is my plum. Meoded Pearl, and Soho Mars Black. So I wanted to try 3 different techniques, and then afterwards I'm going to come in and just do a couple ribbons to kind of tie them all together. So let's get started. We're going to fill our cups for each one. Since we're just doing basic flip cups, you want to make sure that your cups are nice and coated so it releases the paint. And I think I want to start with, I don't want a lot of black in each one, so I'm just going to add a little black to the bottom. Ooh, gotta make more black. Actually, I think I'm out of black. I gotta order more black. Yep. Always when I think I'm like up and ready, I always run out of something. I've been staring at this trying to figure out what color I wanted to move through. So I think I'm going to start with the Golden Interference Violet. Jumping into the Lotus Flower from Sherwin-Williams. Then I want to do our Premier Reeves Plum. Do you ever find yourself just really liking a color, a different color, like randomly? I know some of you love your blues, others love your greens, but then, I don't know, I shift. I've always loved olive green, it's always been my favorite color, and gold, those 2. But I find myself just favoring different colors over time. And right now it's that plum. For anybody that's new and notice I have these little things sticking out of each bottle, those are pieces of mesh that I've placed in between. And you'll notice once in a while my paint will stop, like slow down. That's the mesh catching any dried paint that is inside the bottle, preventing it from getting into our cups. Which I love that it does that. It helps prevent a lot of disaster from happening. That was the yellow flash. Now I'm doing the Soho Cad yellow. I pretty much just want that yellow flash since it shifts into an orange to complement that Soho Yellow Ochre with the Cad Yellow Light. Using it as a bridge. Then I'm going to jump in with this Color Shift Aqua. And maybe I'll do a little bit of the pearl in between. Oh, I skipped 2 cups. Get that pearl down. Then the Sherwin-Williams Dark Knight next to that pearl. I want to see how those two react. And finishing it with the Soho before we do just another quick round. Let's shoot it right through the layer and squirt. Ooh. Another one for the refill pile. Now I'm hoping for a lot of skins with this one, so I do know I am using a little bit more paint than I normally do. But that is because I want those skins. I want to continue to play with that idea of the shapes from Sabrina. Because I think that's a really cool, fun idea, and I love the results. Even though she doesn't use paint skins, she uses alcohol inks and everything else. And my ribbon. So we're just letting them drop right now. And I think what I'm going to do is release them first, kind of over this larger one. That is so fun. That way that larger one catches a lot of that. Try to move these around. I don't know, I might do another flip cup if this one turns out similar to that on another canvas. I don't know if I want to ruin that yet. I'm in love. Okay, so normally when it comes to flip cuts and everything, you get some cool reactions, but I'm loving what is going on with these. So let's go for this one. yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get another canvas prepped real quick and do another flip cup. Because I'm loving what is happening with these three right now, and I do not want to ruin them. So there are certain paints that I don't like to add silicone to. That is the color shift, the blacks, the whites, the metallics. So if you ever see me using a metallic, a black, a white, or any of the color shifts, I don't use silicone in them. And then I know there are one or two other colors that I have mixed up in the past that I didn't add silicone to, but the majority of the rest of them all do have silicone. Let me bring you guys down real quick. Because I'm in love with what's going on right there. Look at that. It's so pretty. Okay. Let me go grab another canvas, get some pins on the bottom and taped up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I decided I'm going to go with these two little 4-inch hexagons, and we're just going to do a ribbon pour across them because I love the way the flip cup turned out, but I want to see what ribbons, like a dirty pour ribbon, might do, and if I can get caterpillar cells and any kind of cool flow going on that way. So, pinch the cup, and here goes. Kind of crazy, but I don't hate it. Start with this one right here. Turn out a little bit darker. I kind of like the way that one little line goes across and connects them. Oh yeah, tons of caterpillar cells popping up. The longer I wait, the more cells pop up, so it's just what I'm going to do. But yeah, there we go. These are definitely going to continue to change and more cells keep popping up, which I'm okay with. But I love how they turned out. Look at those colors. And again, I don't want to lift this up and move it, but yeah, I don't think I can. I'll get photos for you guys and upload them when they are dry to my Instagram. And I do have a folder that I have to upload to the Pro Posse with all my recent stuff, so you guys can go over there and check it out. And check out all the other artists on the Pro Posse on Facebook. It's a group created by Christina Welch. A lot of really cool artists, so much inspiration going on in that group, so if you guys want to go check it out. Again, congrats to the 5 winners. Send me an email, or I'll send you guys an email. Well, 4 winners. So P&D, Christina Welch, Allegra Young, and Monica Tiamoni. Congratulations on winning my sponsored giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!